Hello to everyone. Join with me to study this topic, which is area by integration, because there are some cases, especially if the figure is not really specified or irregular shape, so we cannot solve by typical formula for the basic solving in terms of area. So that's why we will use integration. So I have here, find the area of the region between the x-axis and y is equal to circle brackets x minus 1 raised to the power of 3. Then the limits are given from 0, which is x, because between x-axis, so there is a limit from 0 to x. X equals to 2. So meaning, we start with tabulation from 0 until we come up with these limits. Okay? So first, we have to tabulate using our tabulation. So using x and y axis. So as what I said, we have to start from 0. When x is 0, y is equals to circle brackets x minus 1 to the power of 3. So we just plug in the value which is 0. X is 0. So 0 minus 1 to the power of 3. So this will be negative 1, because 0 minus 1 is negative 1 raised to the power of 3. So we know that negative inside the circle brackets and then the exponent is odd. So meaning the sign must be negative. So 1 to the third power, that will be 1 times 1 times 1, that's still 1. So that will be negative 1. So meaning my value for y is negative 1. Then when x equals to 1, so y is equals to 1 minus 1 raised to the third power. So we know that 1 minus 1, that will be 0. Raised to the third power, that will be 0. So this is 1 and then this will be 0. The next is, when x is 2. So when x equals to 2, so y is equals to circle brackets 2 minus 1 raised to the third power. So this will be it should be 1, positive 1, right? Positive 1 to the third power. So this will be still 1. Okay? So we can now make our graph using Cartesian coordinates. Okay? So this is y-axis, and then this is x-axis. So 0, and then 1, then 2. So this is 1 also, 2, this is 1. So 0, negative 1, so down. So take note, we know that 0, negative 1 is at the fourth quadrant. So y will be negative 1. Then, when x is 1, y is 0. So, in here. Then, 2 and 1. 2 and 1, so meaning, first quadrant. So, this will be the graph. So, this one. This is 2 and then this is 1. So take note, there are two areas. So we have area 1 and then this one will be area 2. Okay, so area is equals to area 1 plus area 2. Okay, area 1. So take note, this is below the x-axis. So meaning this is minus integral from, so we have to consider x-axis from 0 to 1. Okay? From 0 to 1, and then this will be y dx. Then, since this is above, so meaning plus Integral from 1 to 2. So this will be 1 to 2 and then y dx. Okay, so this will be negative integral from 0 to 1. Plug in the value of y, which is circle brackets x minus 1 to the third power. This will be dx. Then plus integral from 1 to 2. Circle brackets x minus 1 to the power of 3. Then this will be dx. Okay, allow me to erase in here at the top. Further solution. So I have negative integral from 0 to 1. So this will be x minus 1 to the power of 3. Then this will be dx. Then plus integral from 1 to 2. Then circle brackets x minus 1 to the third power dx. Okay, so integrate. So this will be circle brackets x minus 1 to the power of 4. This will be over 4. Then plus. Okay, sorry. There is limits from 0 to 1. Then plus, this will be circle brackets x minus 1 to the power of 4. Then this will be 4 from limits from 1 to 2. Or I can write this one as negative 1 over 4 x minus 1 to the power of 4. Then plus 1 over 4. Circle brackets x minus 1 to the power of 4. So take note, they have different limits. So from 0 to 1, then the other one is from 1 to 2. So this one will be negative 1 over 4. Okay, I will use circle brackets because I can do this one. So x to the power of 4. So x will be 1 square and then minus 1 to the power of 4 and then 0 minus 1 to the power of 4. Then plus 1 over 4 square brackets. Then this will be 2 minus 1 to the power of 4. Then minus circle brackets 1 minus 1 raised to the power of 4. So this will be negative 1 over 4 square brackets. So this will be 0 to the 4th and then this will be minus 1 to the power of 4. Then plus 1 over 4 square brackets 2 minus 1, that is 1 to the power of 4 and then this will be 0 to the power of 4. So this will be negative 1 over 4. 0 will be crossed out. So this will be negative. Because the exponent is even, so meaning this will be positive 1. So this will be negative, positive 1. Okay? Then plus 1 over 4. This will be 0, so this will be 1 to the 4th. So this will be negative 1 over 4 times negative 1. Then plus 1 to the 4th, that is still 1. So 1 over 4 times 1. So this will be negative, that will be positive. 1/4 plus 1/4. So LCD will be 4. And then, since they are the same denominator, so just add 1 plus 1. So this will be 2 over 4. So this will be reduced. Divide by 2, that is 1. Divide by 2, that is 2. So therefore, the area is equal to 1/2 square units because there is no unit. So we just take the unit. So area equals 1/2 square units for this figure. So this will be positive. This area 1 will be negative. And then area 2 will be positive. Okay? I think that's all. A friendly reminder. If you have questions regarding to my discussion, you may write your comments at the comment section. Then if you agree with me, please like and share. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.